Being back at this table makes me sweat.
It does. The meat sweats.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Honestly, my right armpit is sweating out of control because guess what?
What?
Cheat day's back!
Woo-woo!
I've been so hungry for the last few months.
Why have you not eaten? Or did
I'm
you not
just
have
kidding.
any money? What?
Well, that's a whole other story. Today, we're going to talk about a bunch of people who do have a lot of money, the most famous YouTubers in the world, and what their favorite foods are.
Let's do it.
Oh
this
my
is
gosh.
a sister snack, everyone.
A sister snack.
If I've ever seen a sister snack, this is it. This is James Charles's. Do you put the like apostrophe after the S? Yeah. James Charles's favorite Starbucks drink. It's the pink drink.
What is it? What's in here? See, I always get like really concerned and worried when they're like, oh, I love red drinks, or like, I love drinking like purple drinks or green drinks or like whatever. What is this? What's in here?
Strawberry acai refresher, but it's made with coconut milk instead of water.
Oh, Sister made this famous.
Sister makes everything famous.
He really does. I just really respect him so much.
Anything Sister touches turns into Sister.
Silver, not even silver.
So that's good. I'm gonna save the turtles.
Oh, oh my gosh, you're so smart. I should bring my reusable straws.
I know. I'm on a turtle saving mission these days.
I know. I feel guilty.
I know.
Cheers.
Sorry.
I'll give you half my straw.
Okay. Whoa, this is Sister Strong. It is so good. It is so sweet.
It's like a melted popsicle.
You
from the
hate
ice
it,
cream.
huh?
No, but it's a lot. I need this to be like diluted. This is very sweet,
Did
sister.
you just drool?
Oh my, of course. I haven't changed that much. This is really good. It tastes like, you know, Special K when you add like extra strawberries. That's what it tastes like.
I was actually gonna say these are like the Special K strawberries, but better because they're not like oddly chewy.
And this is made with coconut milk, which I feel like is more healthy. I have no concept of whether or not that's true, but I'll believe it. No, this tastes very, very unhealthy.
It tastes like a lollipop.
Do you know what this reminds me of, actually? Do you remember the time that Tyler and Corey came on this show?
What is this junk? Ice cream or apple pie?
And
Oh my
then
God, Tyler threw
barfed.
up. It was on his birthday.
When I like think of milky drinks, I think of him barfing after. I know that's very weird.
Wow, that was so triggering for you. I had no idea.
Very triggering. Also, you know what else is triggering? How many holes does a straw have?
If you think about it too long, it will make you crazy, but I definitely think it's one long hole.
Oh my gosh, I totally agree, and I thought about it very long. Oh! Oh, great.
Okay, so multiple internet news sources have reported they've gone on record. TR?
OTR, on the record, but that's
record,
also
yeah.
off the record.
They've gone OTR that this is Lilly Singh's favorite snack, popcorn with extra butter.
Which literally is my favorite snack, so maybe I'll be a late night host in like 45 years. Congratulations, Lilly Singh, if you're watching.
What a monumental moment for YouTubers everywhere. I know this is your favorite food.
I love popcorn. It's all I used to eat.
I don't want to ruin it for you, but I just watched a documentary.
I know. You should never eat the kind from the bag. I mean, it's like really
I
bad.
watched-
And
you guys
corn in
watch
general is bad for you.
It's called The Devil We Know.
It's corn.
But I'm gonna do it, and I might die, but I'm gonna do it. That's really tasty. Is popcorn valid as like a favorite food though? It seems kind of like wimpy.
It's a favorite snack. So it's like if you're gonna say your favorite food is chips, you could say it's popcorn.
Right, if you were deserted on a stranded island.
I would drink Pinot Noir on a drip. Lilly Singh,
I feel closer to you.
I love you.
We could be friends.
What's next? Oh my gosh, what the heck?
Not
Wow.
only do I not really know whose food this is, I also don't even know what this is.
So this is Jenna Marbles' favorite food. Her boyfriend recently did a whole video recreating a vegan version for her. And this is called like garage food garbage food. Garbage plate.
A garbage or a trash plate.
This looks like what I would eat in college after a late
Wait, what
night.
is in a garbage plate?
Macaroni and cheese, French
I
fries.
guess I could look.
Hamburgers.
So I want to get a little bit of earthing. So we got a
Right.
little potatoes, a little potatoes, a little meat, a little sauce.
These
a
are
little
all the
cheese.
food groups.
Okay, here we
one,
go.
2, 3.
We
Oh,
could
no.
never get married.
What do you think?
Nobody's put that in my nose. It's spicy.
Is this Tabasco?
What did I just eat?
Woo!
There was like a granular thing. It was like a real granular.
That's probably part of an
probably
old
part of
fork or
fresh.
something.
This is so good, but I just, There's so much.
It definitely has Tabasco. It definitely has Tabasco on it, or hot sauce.
Oh, wow. This is good, but it's a lot.
Okay, wow, what is this?
Yeah, this looks good. So Casey Neistat, you guys know him, you love him. Remember when he pranked us?
Emma, we need you to say 10 times, that feels good.
That was amazing.
Well, apparently his favorite food is barbecue, which I totally get. Like, I'm from the South, I had barbecue at my wedding. Like, that makes so much sense to me. Ooh.
So we have some chicken, we have some coleslaw, we have some
brisket.
sauce.
Wow, that is a big old slab of meat.
Oh wow, I have that too under here. And this evidence is on Twitter, right? That's how we know that he loves BBQ. Aaron, what are you even gonna take a bite of? I don't even
I am just
really
gonna
know.
dip this big piece of brisket into this sauce.
All
Oh, these
right.
are beans. I'm from the South. I'm supposed to know the difference between a bean and a sauce.
There's a lot of sauce in there. Okay, here we go. Okay. Tastes great. How do you, but you, I feel like, have actual opinions about like barbecue.
It could be a little smokier. I don't know if Casey Neistat would say this was his favorite. This is like a very average barbecue, but I'd love to get barbecue with you, Casey Neistat.
Cheesecake Factory, one of my favorite places in the world. So overwhelming, that menu.
Oh my gosh, did I miss the cornbread?
Oh no, but that has corn in it.
No, it's not the corn. It's the plastic of the bag of the popcorn.
Oh, of course. Oh my gosh, I thought you just meant
Of
corn in
course.
general.
So I have to say, I watched the entire mukbang that Colleen Ballinger and Trisha Paytas did at Cheesecake Factory. They ate her favorite orange chicken because she did a baby update. You know, it was important to watch it from beginning to end. And you know, Trisha Paytas is like the queen of all like mukbangs.
I mean, she's the reason I know what a mukbang is.
Exactly.
Honestly.
Now, I've never seen an orange chicken I didn't like, and I love Cheesecake Factory because that's where Matt and I went on our first date.
Aww,
That's not cute.
sweet. I love
No.
Cheesecake Factory, and this brown bread that I know is up in that bag.
Is there brown
a
bread?
life.
There's brown bread in here. You guys, you can buy brown bread at the grocery store.
Look at this.
Did you hear what
Really?
Did you hear what I just
but
said?
Is it this brand or is
Yes, it's Cheesecake Factory brown bread you can buy at the grocery store.
So let's grab some chicken. As you can see, this is real legit orange chicken because it has little orange pieces on it. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, it's real chicken inside.
It's real good. I actually worked at Cheesecake Factory for like 3 days.
You did?
Then I had to quit because the menu is too extensive.
It's too overwhelming.
You have to
I
know
can't
all the
imagine.
ingredients in case somebody's allergic. I was like, I don't have time
No,
for this.
that's too stressful.
You can't say anything bad. Because Jeffree Star will come for us.
Oh my gosh, I love Jeffree Star. I remember seeing
Even if we
Jeffree
don't like
Star
it.
when I was a kid at Warped Tour. Not a kid, like recently. At Warped Tour, and when he was in MySpace, like hugest celebrity on MySpace, and performing on Warped Tour, and I would always be like, oh my gosh, look at that beautiful person walking with the pink hair and like these huge shoes. Always just like in the crowd, like
Like, yeah, big feet. I don't know what this is,
but I like it.
but this is so legitimately the best thing I've had in 2019.
What is this?
What is
Mountain Dew Baja Blast.
it? A Mountain Dew Baja. What's a Baja Blast?
So we also have, it looks like some tacos.
Wait. Recently, Lauren Powell told me that Taco Bell had french fries. And I was like, get out of here, they do not have french fries. She's like, yes, they do. And I was like, shut up, you're a liar. She's like, no, I'm not. And now they have french fries.
Taco Bell, mark my words, is like the best hardcore fast food. Besides, like, I mean, I like In-N-Out, but okay, is this just a regular taco supreme?
Okay, Jeffree Star loves a mukbang
Cheers.
as well.
Oh my gosh, yum.
I really like this. I actually didn't like Taco Bell for a really long time.
Really? Oh my gosh,
But
I love it.
I'm actually starting to come around in this very moment. Like, this is a huge moment for me.
Jeffree, I know you don't know me. I love your work. I love seeing you at Warped Tour. I love what you're doing now. I love this startup you've started. LOL, you own the world. So I'm just saying, like, if you want to come on this channel and eat with us, you're welcome to. All right, what's next? We have one more dish.
Oh,
One more dish.
I'll save it.
Okay, so this is the queen of mukbangs, Trisha Paytas, obviously. Like, none of us would probably really know what mukbangs are. I mean, at least I wouldn't if it wasn't for her. It's her favorite food, or her favorite fast food for mukbangs, which is Domino's Pizza.
And it is just a regular cheese pizza, I believe, which is like my favorite. Like, why mess up pizza if it's got good sauce and good bread and good cheese? Like, that's all you eat. What I love about Trisha is I think she's like, you can pay to watch her eat.
No, you can, for
like,
sure.
That's
There's like some channel.
amazing.
Like what? I mean, I guess that's what people are kind of doing right now, but for free.
I love a good classic.
This is great. We already like pizza.
Yeah.
What are these little guys? How cute. These are chocolate lava cakes. She also loves these.
She does?
Oh, whoa. Look at the inside.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
It tastes processed. I like that. This tastes like, you know when you're making a homemade ice cream sundae? It's the stuff out of the jar that's in the middle right here. How did they get it in there?
Oh my god. Okay. Is that it?
No, we left out one important person. What's your favorite food?
Cheeseburgers. Actually,
No?
Jocelyn, you can
From where?
Oh, anywhere.
Plant-based? Did you try a plant-based burger?
I'm
Those are
actually
so
gonna
good.
try a bunch of Impossible
Impossible
Burgers.
burgers are bomb.
I've been eating a lot of Brussels sprouts recently.
Stop. They're the bomb.
What's your favorite food? We know it's like popcorn.
Popcorn is my favorite food. That's what I go on the record to say.
Wine.
Coffee,
Coffee.
wine. That's pretty much it.
So let us know in the comments, like, what's your favorite food? I'm actually curious because there's so many food options to choose from. And let us know which of these foods is the best. Like, who has the best taste?
Also, another follow-up to that, what YouTubers did we miss and what are their favorite foods and where are the receipts, more importantly, because your girls want to know. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, for supporting, for coming back to Clevver Style. We're so glad to be here. Please subscribe, get the notifications, because we'll be here in this room eating every single week.
Thank God.
I think I'm gonna go probably poop my pants. I'll be back.
Okay, great. You guys, I'm so full. That was kind of crazy. And if you want more crazy, weird videos, then you've come to the right place. Click right here for another Clevver Style video, or you can also subscribe because we have more crazy videos coming your way. Get ready, hold your pants. Let's go get crazy.